Hey Brent, okay, here's your kit. Basically, the crossbar, like it says, this is the removable. So all you do is you basically put your connectors through and push the pipe into here. That'll be the clamp to mount it to the pole. What you're going to do, you need to get one of these step down drill bits. You can get that on Amazon. I will send you the link. This is for the base. Your pole, basically whatever length you want to use. We did long cables, so if you wanted to go 8 foot, you got enough cable there for an 8-footer. What you're going to do is drill the holes for the bell, for the crossbar, and then for your base to bring the wires through. That'll be down there. So basically what you're going to do is mount the control box. It's got the clamps. You got to mount the clamps when you get it onto the box. Install the box with the grommet on the bottom of the pole. Run your wires through. Do not put these connectors on until all the wires are through the pole. So you're going to take the 4 loom wire, run it through the pole and out this hole, and then run the 2 wire for the bell all the way down and out the pole. And then what you're going to do is on the bell, you're going to go ahead and hook up your wire, run it through to make sure it goes through, and then disconnect it, and then go ahead and put your connectors on. Once you have it through the pole, you can pull both wires out here, connect them. To mount the bell, remove the bell housing, and then you got the screws here. What you're going to do is line it up like in that direction where this is facing the bottom. You know, you don't have to be exact. You can drill holes, pilot holes, or you can use the self-tapping screws. I use drill pilot holes, at least you know where you're going to be. And then use the grommet. I put the grommet on the wires so you don't forget it. And then assemble that, and then come down here, do the same thing there. You're going to assemble, you're going to put the grommet on your pole. This one's a little larger because it's for a different application. You're going to drill the hole, put the pilot or the grommet on there, use the clamp to mount it. This will mount up on the back side, and this will go through the pole, and then you mount the nuts on the inside there. Assemble that if you want later. You can just mount that to the pole and assemble that after you're done. I'm going to give you a couple clamps for your railroad crossing. I'm not sure what style you're using. I'm going to give you the 2 wireless remotes. And then on the base, what I always do, it's a tight fit. You just line the pole up straight, make sure it's nice and even and straight on there, and then tap this on concrete or asphalt, the pole itself, and then that'll press all the way up on it. You can try a piece of plywood or wood on the back and use a hammer, but I've seen a lot of people, when they do that, they've actually broken the plastic piece. So if you use the pole and just do it gently up and down, I know that didn't look good, but gently up and down with the pole, that'll actually press in there. And then every so often just look to make sure it's all even, the pole on the inside. And then go ahead and fire up the unit, and you should be good to go. Like it says, did the wiring loom, you got connectors, so if you have any problems, A button turns the unit on. It has the insulating soundproof on the back when you mount that. And then B is for the bell. A shuts both off, or you can shut the bell back off. Send some pictures and videos. We'd like to see them always for people's layouts and that. And if you have any issues or anything to try to figure out how to mount it, give me an email or a text and we'll go through it. But like it says, I'll send you the link. Amazon sells those. Amazon's worldwide, so you'll be able to get that from Amazon. This is Bart with Mad Dogs Trains. Thank you.